Good evening, guys, from Panglao. Tonight I fancy a Chinese, and I forgot about this one, but I've been here once before and I think I'll give it another try. So it's about nearly 6 o'clock in the evening here. It's kind of a bar stroke restaurant, and it's owned by a Chinese couple. Well, not Chinese couple, a German couple. He's German, she's Chinese. And I have to say, every time I've come here, it seems very, very quiet. I'm not sure how business works here, but by accident, I bumped into him a few days ago, and we were talking about the business, and he said it's actually really struggling. He's not making much profit for the last 4 years he's been here. And he puts it down to the Koreans basically not really coming to try Chinese food. And they just seem to hang around in all the Korean-based restaurants, hotels, sweet shops, smoothies. And I guess that's a bit of a gripe on this part. But effectively, if you advertise better, you'll get people in. He's just not doing it. I think he's probably a bit more laid back, and expect just by having a restaurant sitting here, that means you're going to make money. He did say that the money was good about 4 or 5 years ago. I think it was just before the COVID. He said he was doing very well, lots of Westerners, but now most Westerners aren't actually here anymore. So that's taken a big hit here. And I expect that's what will happen. If say there's another COVID here, most of these shops will close down, because effectively they rely totally on tourism. And the Korean shops here, and there's a lot here, they would fall over. They would actually just hit the ground. They would just be knackered, stored. So anyway, just thought I'd let you know. I'm going to have a coffee and juice, and then have my Chinese foods. Okay?